What's up, world? Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you like a lot of hauls. Okay, so we just started a new series on my channel. So as you guys know, I am still doing natural hair videos, but I'm also doing hauls for you guys, okay? Because I love watching hauls. I think people is gonna love watching hauls. So I was like, you know what? Why not just do it? It's like a win-win situation right here going on. Personally, I think Target is a little bit more, much more expensive. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Much more expensive than Walmart, and I don't typically shop there unless I'm shopping for stuff in the clearance aisle. They have really good pieces, but I really do think some of their prices are just like way too high for my budget. But besides that, Target, you can find literally everything there. I know when I move out, that's the first place I'm gonna go to find my house decor, because everything about Target just screams buy me. And that's why people tend to get broke, you know, because Target just... Okay, so I went into Target yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, it was yesterday. I went into Target yesterday and I was like, let me go check out the swimsuit section. My surprise, the swimsuit section was not a lot. Like, they had a lot of whole pieces. If you like whole pieces, you can find any type of whole pieces there. Walmart had a bigger selection of different types of swimsuits where you want pattern, solid colors, mesh, non-mesh. Like, they had just more in Walmart to offer, whereas Target didn't really have that much. So I was really surprised. But with Target, I found some bright bomb colors that I'm so ready to show you guys. So let me just shut up and just show you guys the whole. So Fresh sent me their new bombs complimentary to try out and show you guys. They have the lemon flavored and they have the peach flavored. Right now I am literally just wearing a lip liner and some lemon lip balm. Okay, so you guys already know summer is coming up and you guys need balms to protect you from the sun. You guys put on a whole bunch of sunscreen all over the skin, but people tend to forget those lips, those gorgeous juicy lips need protection just as much as your skin. So definitely pick up the Fresh lip balms. It comes in all different flavors. It is a small, cute, chic size, so you guys can pack it, put it in that purse, put it in that wallet, put it wherever you need to carry it, in a beach bag, and just make sure and protect your lips from the sun. Alright guys, so first bathing suit I have for you is the bathing suit that I'm wearing right now. You guys know I normally wear size small when I'm wearing a two-piece or bikini, because my upper body is very small compared to the rest of my body. So I tend to get a small, but this size, it only had an extra small and a medium, clearly because it was in clearance. So I was like, you know what, it better go big than too small and cutting off circulation. Now I will say with the back of this, it is not very user friendly. So if you're by yourself, you're gonna have a hard time putting this on, because it took me forever to get this thing on, and as you guys can see, it's still not tied properly. I just paired it with a black and white bottom, but I do think a black solid bottom is gonna suit it best. Or maybe if you guys have this in your Target and you have the bottom to match with it, it'll be perfect, because normally I like to match my bathing suits together, especially with bikinis. But if I can't, I just wear solid black or solid white or some other solid color to match the top and not be too much out there. Like I said, this was on clearance. I think I got this for $12, so which is not a bad price. It's more like a Walmart type of price. So if I know Walmart prices, at Target is definitely the way to go. Okay, so for my next bathing suit, as you guys can see, it is a nice mauve color. I think these colors look so good on our skin. It is in a size small. I'm not sure how it's gonna fit, because it was either size small or size large. I know the size large was not gonna fit me, so I was like, in this situation I think I better go smaller than bigger. So let's see how this one actually fits. Okay, so this is what the one piece looks like. It's very simple, very chic. The material is very soft and smooth, just like a regular bathing suit material. Nothing too fancy about it. I think this one was actually $25 or so. So yes, like I said, it's a little bit more expensive than Walmart, but the quality seems really good. It's a simple tie right here. I didn't even tie it. It came just like this, so I'm pretty sure it'll stay just like this when wearing it in the beach or the pool or wherever you're going. So it's very simple, and if you guys can see, there's like a print, like rim print on there. You guys probably can't really see that, but yeah, I don't know, I just like the mauve color. I do think I should have gotten a size medium in this, so I probably may have to just exchange it because the back area is like cutting off circulation. I don't want to show you guys too much in the back there, but it's definitely too tight in the back, so definitely a medium with our long torsos. Anybody who have any long torsos, get a size medium. No matter how skinny you are, it's going to look better or fit better if you guys have a long torso. Okay, this little cute yellow swimsuit is one of my favorites. For some really odd reason though, I got a size large in the bottom, which I swear I got a size small, and I got a size small in the top, which is way too tight for me. Way too tight. So I think now I'm just going to stick to mediums, because this is just too uncomfortably tight. And as you guys can see, look how high it is in the back. The straps are adjustable, but as you guys can see, it's always already close to being fully down, where it makes it a little bit bigger, but it's way too small for me to be. So both of these are $14.99, so $15 for each piece, so totaling $30 for a bathing suit, which is pretty much the regular price as a bathing suit at Target. Sometimes we go from $29.99 and all the way up. Okay, so this is the last and final bathing suit. I think this is by far my favorite. I absolutely love how the color is on this one. The rib stripes on there, you probably can't see it, so I have to do a close-up so you guys can see it. The material is just so soft. The back is also so cute. It's not like a regular swimsuit. It has like the straps adjust, and then you have the back and then a tie as well, so it's a little bit extra added to the swimsuit itself. But overall, this is definitely my favorite swimsuit. Once again, $29.99 for this one, so it's pretty pricey, but besides that, it's a very nice color. It makes the skin tone pop a lot. This material is very soft and stretchy. I feel like you can also wear this as a top and then wear like a high-waisted jeans with this, or high-waisted shorts or skirt. And okay guys, so that is pretty much it for the haul. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed the haul as much as I enjoyed showing you guys the pieces that I found at Target. If you guys do enjoy these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs on up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, including hair videos as well. Don't forget, I didn't forget about the hair videos, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the more videos that are about to come up.